As always, it's snowing here in the North Pole, and I was afraid I might have trouble reaching you all the way there in Europe. My portable North Pole console PMP stands up to the worst weather conditions. My elves worked extremely hard in order to build a machine that knows who's been naughty or nice. So I'll know if I should bring you Christmas presents from right here in the North Pole to your part of the world, in the United Kingdom. So, come on in. Come on. Now let's take a look at your file. I hope you've been a good little girl since last Christmas. Oh, here we are. Right now, you are 5 years old. Is that right?
Yeah.
And you go to school?
Yeah.
Now, my elves have told me that this year you have been asked to try really hard to always go to bed when you are told to. And Santa knows that there's a special gift that you have been hoping for. Like a certain doll. Do you think you'll be nice enough? I guess it's time to use my very special machine. Neve, my elves will check if you're on the good girl list. Hello? Hello? Go get the file, please. For being such a good girl. Santa will see you soon. Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas!
Bless yours, Mum.
That was good, wasn't it?
What's the hideout as if?
Oh my God.